MCCB, molded case circuit breaker. Typical construction of MCCB is shown over here in this diagram. There are multiple models of or types of MCCB. This MCCB mainly consists of, depends upon molded case frame. You may have operating mechanism, you may have arc extinguishing property, you may have contacts, you may have trip units. So MCCB, it's consisting of frame, molded case frame, then operating mechanism, then it consists of arc extinguisher or arc extinction chamber, and it consists of contacts, trip units. So here in this you will see, this is molded case circuit breaker. These are the terminals provided. Molded case frame, load is connected to this side, incoming is this side. This is incoming. Are you able to see this diagram?
Yes, sir.
This is incoming, this is outgoing, this is your operating mechanism. You may have on-off switch, okay. Operating mechanism, on-off switch. Then in this you can see the contact, contacts, making and breaking contacts, okay. Then you are having the trip bar, arc extinction chamber, terminals to contact, and finally going to the load. So major parts are operating mechanism, molded case frame, arc extinguisher, contacts, and trip units. Okay, these are the main components of MCCB. So MCCB, it is working is quite similar to your MCB, which we have already discussed, working principle of MCB, right? So the function, it is provide that particular insulating housing, frame GI, main frame. You are having 5 parts in which you are having the molded case, frame, because it is known as molded case circuit breaker. What is use of frame? Molded case frame. Molded case frame, this is it provides housing to the inner components. All components like arc extinction chamber, contacts, terminals are mounted on this frame and inside this frame. This frame, molded case or casing, it is made up with actually polymer. Okay, normally glass, polymer or polyester, that material is used. Especially this material should have higher thermal resistance, because of, you know, that arc extinction or arcing takes place. Material should have good dielectric strength, that is particularly used for the frame. Different types of size and shape of the circuit breaker, the frames are designed. You may have smaller, for smaller rating, smaller frames, larger rating, bigger frames, and based on the circuit breaker characteristics. The frame size is also depends upon the size of particularly the current and voltage. Then operating mechanism, you may have particularly opening and closing manually, you can do, and trip unit is provided for auto operation when there is a fault. They are having sometimes inbuilt ground fault or ground leakage detection and the MCB or MCCB operates based on that ground fault. Some units are having data monitoring system, gathering the data, and they may communicate to the communicating device. Another case, so we have this all about MCCB. Any doubt regarding MCCB? When you are having this, if you have MCCB, it is in coordinated with data analysis or data coordination. So this is the electronic trip system. The electronic trip system, which is with MCCB. So this is MCCB frame, and these are the communicating devices. They are consisting of, in this communicating device, you need CT, that is current transformer, which is inbuilt to reduce the current for measuring purpose. Okay. Then you are having the electronic circuitry PCB that interprets inputs and decision based on the comparison or predetermined values. Okay, so these you are having solid state circuitry PCB and all this comparison type device in communication system. Then you are having the shunt trip internal, that is provided for the breaker. Typically mechanical spring is loaded to this device. With permanent magnet you can have the internal tripping provision. So when tripping signal is received or when fault is there from that is received from the electronic circuitry, you are putting input as well as output with electronic circuitry. Okay, the effect of permanent magnet, that is particularly counter reacted by the tripping pulse and allowing mechanical tripping, that is actually opening or closing of operation of circuit breaker. So you may have manual operated or electronic trip system that can be provided with MCCB. Any doubt? Okay. Then there are some factors which are associated with selection of MCCB. Depends upon the load and depends upon the requirement. MCCB you can have, they may provide temperature sensitivity also. They may depends upon the protection particularly required. It may be a combination of different trips element, maybe bimetallic trip, solenoid relays and all others. You may have thermal overload protection inbuilt inside this. Based on this, particularly your requirement, heat function I square RT, heat developed based on this also we can have the operation of MCB. So based on these requirements, you can select the particular MCB. So short circuit condition. In short circuit condition, usually in short circuit condition especially when fault occurs, short circuit condition, you know that if fault is line to ground fault or phase to ground fault, this is most common type of fault for low voltage system which is less than 400 volt or below or 230 volt. So circuit breaker, it is associated with ground protection or ground fault protection, that can be considered. Circuit breaker with short circuit protection, line to line, line to ground. Normally short circuit from between line to line and line to ground are major faults. MCCB is used accordingly. Then overload trip, you may have 20-25% overloads that can be provided, and you may set accordingly the overloading. You will have the setting provided, so you can select accordingly. Okay. whenever there is a short circuit trip action, this is fast action as far as the other overload or overload protection is concerned. Okay. So particularly when this happens, the circuit breaker trip very fast and signal is given in very low time because of the surge current in case of short circuit. If you have time delay factor incorporated in this, then it may cause further damages to the equipment. So arc extinction should be fast as far as possible. So you may have different selection criteria for MCCB as we have just discussed. Okay. Then you may have this particularly electronic trip unit which you are just observing, which is consisting of, it is a electronic circuitry, current transformer and all other devices. They are especially designed for the communication and electronic tripping signal giving to the circuit breaker. So this increases the reliability of the circuit breaker. Okay.